Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Christelle.
Hello everyone, my name is Adriana.
And today we will be doing what?
Cake.
Which cake?
Lemon man cake.
Apricot cake.
Okay.
Using the freshest apricots, which Adriana started eating by the way. Very juicy and delicious. We will start with the toppings. For the toppings, we will need the water and the sugar and lemongrass. We will boil the water, sugar and lemongrass together. Once they boil, we will add the apricots to them and let them infuse for 24 hours. To start with the batter, we will cream the butter and sugar first. Then we will add the eggs gradually. After that, we will add the sour cream. And at the end, we will end up by adding the flour and the baking powder. We will start now by cutting the apricots in half. Adi, help me. You will not help me?
But, I'm helping you.
I'm helping you. We're gonna pop these on the stove. The water, sugar, and lemongrass. Once it boils, we turn off the heat. We add the apricots to the mixture. These apricots are done. Once we add them to the bowl, we need to fill them, put them in the fridge and let them infuse for 24 hours. We're gonna go ahead and start with the cake batter now. First, we need to add the butter and sugar until they are creamy. Once they are creamy, we will gradually add the eggs. When they are all incorporated, we will add the sour cream and end up by adding all the flour and baking powder. So Adi, the cake is done. It has risen. It's nice and fluffy. Now it's time to spread some apricot jam on it. No need to add a lot of jam, just like a spread. After spreading the apricot jam, we will use our apricots. We will stick it on the cake and then we will add some almonds for decoration. Adi, I'm going to cut the cake.
Okay. Yummy, so good.
It's so good! You like it? Can I taste also?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Where's the eggs?
So we will pop these on the stove.
Where's the eggs?
pop. هلا ما رح نعيدها يلا. هلا رح نعيدها اوكي.
Where's the eggs?
والبوب.
Where's the eggs? Where's the eggs?